Hello viewers, welcome back to Harshavardhan e-learning. This video covered top 100 questions on Indian Constitution. Part 1. Who is the father of Indian Constitution? Answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What is the ratio between the length and breadth of Indian national flag? 2 and 3. Question number 3. When did the Indian Penal Code come into operation? Answer. In 1862. Question 4. How many articles are there in Indian Constitution? Answer. 395. Question 5. Which type of democracy do we follow in India? Answer. Representative. Question 6. Which committee did frame Constitution of India? Answer. Constituent Assembly. Question 7. Which country did introduce direct democracy? Answer. Switzerland. Question 8. Which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency area wise? Answer. Ladakh. Question 9. In which state VVM was used for the first time in India? Answer. Kerala. Question 10. How many times the word secular appears in our constitution? Answer. 2 times. Question 11. According to the system of democracy, ultimate power lies in the hands of answer people. Question 12. Dual citizenship is an important feature in which form of government? Answer federal. Question 13. From which country fundamental rights are borrowed to Indian Constitution? Answer. United States of America. Question 14. Who was the President of the Republic of India who constantly described Indian secularism as Sarva Dharma Sambhav? Answer. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question 15. When was the Constitution of India adopted? Answer 26 November 1949. Question 16. The Constitution of India describes India as answer a union of states. Question 17. Which part of the Constitution had incorporated special provision with regard to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer. Part 21, Article 370. Question 17. Which part of the Constitution had incorporated special provision with regard to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer. Part 21, Article 370. Question 18. If the office of the President of India vacant, within what time should the next president to be selected? Answer. Within 6 months. Question 19. Who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 20. What is the correct nomenclature of India according to the preamble? Answer. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic. Question number 21. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer. G.V. Mavalankar. Question 22. Which committee did recommend inclusion of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution? Answer. Swaran Singh Committee. Question 23. Which is the oldest high court in India? Answer: Calcutta. Question 24. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer: Vice President. Question 25. Which right is called as political right? Answer: Right to vote. Question 26. Who can impose reasonable restrictions for fundamental rights? Answer: Parliament. Question number 27. When did provisions of citizenship in India Constitution become applicable? Answer: 1950. Which part of the Indian Constitution the fundamental duties are enshrined? Answer: 4th A. Question 29. To which category does right to vote belong? Answer: Political rights. Question 30. How many fundamental rights were granted initially? Answer: 7. Question 31. Who was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question 32. When did Indian Penal Code come into operation? Answer: 1862. Question 33. How many articles are there in Indian Constitution? Answer: 395. Question 34. When was our national anthem first sung and where? Answer: 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. Question 35. When did the Indian Constitution come into force? Answer: 26 January 1950. Question 36. What are the two forms of democracy? Answer: Parliamentary and presidential. Question number 37. Which was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of Constitution? Answer: Right to constitutional remedies. Question 38. Question 38. From which country the concept of single citizenship was adopted in India? Answer: England. Question number 39. When was the drafting of the Constitution completed? Answer: 26th November 1949. Question 40. What is the minimum age for the appointment as member of the Rajya Sabha? 30 years. 41. Who was the first elected chairman of a Constituent Assembly? Answer: Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Question number 42. Who is normally the Chancellor of the State University? Answer: Governor of the State. Question number 43. When was the first general election in Free India held? Answer: in 1951. Question number 44. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces in India? Answer: President of India. Question number 45. Who does appoint Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Answer: President of India. Question number 46. Who can pardon a sentence of death? Answer: the President of India. Question number 47. Where can money bill be introduced? Answer: in Lok Sabha only. 48. In which amendment fundamental duties were introduced in Indian Constitution? Answer. 42nd Amendment in 1976. Question number 49. Who has written the book India Wins the Freedom? Answer. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 50. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution has a list of 29 states and 7 union territories? Answer. First schedule. Question number 51. What is the maximum strength of Rajya Sabha? Answer. 250. 12 members nominated by the President and 238 are representative of the states and of the two union territories, Delhi and Puducherry. Question number 52. How many fundamental rights are mentioned in Indian Constitution? Answer. 6. Question number 53. Which article cannot be suspended during emergency? Answer. Article 20 and 21. Question number 54. In India, how many times national emergency has been declared? Answer. 3 times. Question number 55. From which country is India borrowed preamble? Answer. From the Constitution of USA. Question number 56. From which country has India borrowed fundamental rights? Answer. USA. Question number 57. What is the constitutional name of our country? Answer. India, that is Bharat. Question number 58. When was the first session of Lok Sabha held? Answer. 13th May 1952. Question number 59. Who does appoint Chief Justice of High Court in India? Answer. President of India. Question number 60. How many sessions are held in a year in Lok Sabha? Answer. 3 sessions. 61. Which state has the highest number of representatives in both the house? Answer. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 62. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Answer. The President of India. Question number 63. Which High Court has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? Answer. Calcutta High Court. How many members from Anglo-Indian community can be nominated to Lok Sabha by the President? Answer. Only 2 persons. Question number 65. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? Answer. In 1976. Question number 66. How many fundamental duties are there at present in Indian Constitution? Answer. 11. Question number 67. Who administers the oath of office to the President? Answer. The Chief Justice of India. Question number 68. By which amendment the words secular and socialist were added to Indian Constitution? Answer. 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 69. Which article deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister and other ministers? Answer. Article 75. Question number 70. Which article deals with the pardoning power of the President? Answer. Article 72. Question number 71. When was Panchayat Raj system introduced in India? Answer. In 1959. Question number 72. Which state was the first state to introduce the Panchayat Raj system in India? Answer. Rajasthan. Question number 73. When did Delhi become a union territory of India? Answer. In 1956. Question number 74. From which country the idea of fundamental duties is derived? Answer: Russia. 75. From which country fundamental duties were adopted in Indian Constitution? Answer: Russia. So, question number 76. The rule of law is taken from the Constitution of which country? Answer: British Constitution. Question number 77. Who is called as the father of Indian Renaissance? Answer: Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 78. What is the minimum strength of State Legislative Council? Answer: 40. Question number 79. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when the Mountbatten Plan of Independence was accepted? Answer: Acharya J.B. Krupalani. Question number 80. Who does issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights? Answer: Supreme Court. Question number 81. In which year were the Indian states recognized on the basis of linguistic? Answer: in 1956. Question number 82. Which post has not been mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Answer: Deputy Prime Minister. Question number 83. Who is the legal advisor of a state government? Answer: Advocate General. Question number 84. To whom does the Speaker of the Lok Sabha address to resign from the office? Answer: the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question number 85. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from? Answer: USA. Question number 86. Where was the concept of constitution originated? Answer: in England. Question number 87. Under which plan the Constituent Assembly of India was set up? Answer: Cabinet Mission Plan. Question number 88. Who is considered the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 89. From which constitution the concurrent list has been adapted to Indian Constitution? Answer: Australia. From which country the concept of directive principles of state policy in Indian Constitution is adopted? Answer: USA and UK. Question number 91. Which part of Indian Constitution does guarantee the fundamental rights to the people? Part 3. Question number 92. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer: Annie Besant in 1970. Question number 93. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer: Sarojini Naidu in 1925. Question number 94. Who was the only president of India to exercise the pocket veto power? Answer: Gihani Jail Singh. Question number 95. Who presided over the joint sitting of two houses of parliament? Answer: Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 96. Which state did establish the institution of Lokayukta for the first time in India? Answer: Maharashtra. Question number 97. Which amendment did introduce right to education in India? Answer: 86th Amendment Act. Question number 98. When did the Right to Education Act came into force in India? Answer: on 1st April 2010. Question number 99. Who is the head of the state as well as government? Answer: the President of India. Question number 100. What is the term of a member of the Rajya Sabha? Answer: 6 years. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and get the notification of my newly uploaded videos.